Hey everyone, and welcome back to Brijesh Kapoor Finance. Today, we are talking about something super important for every working Canadian and retiree, the Canada Pension Plan or CPP. Specifically, we are diving into the major enhancements that are now largely in full effect for 2025. If you contribute to CPP or are planning to retire soon, this video is for you. You might have heard the buzz about higher CPP payments or maybe seen a slight increase in your contributions. Well, it's just all part of a plan to make your retirement more secure. In this video, we're going to cover why CPP is getting a boost, how much more could you receive, what these changes mean for your paycheck now, and those recent early payment dates. So why are these changes happening? The CPP enhancement began way back in 2019 and it's a gradual phased approach that's basically wrapping up this year in 2025. The core idea is simple. Canadians are living longer, which is good, and the cost of living is also rising. The original CPP was designed to replace about 25% of your average work earnings. But with these enhancements of longer life and rising cost of living, that CPP is now increasing to one-third or 33.33% for earnings after 2019. It's about ensuring that future generations of retirees have a more comfortable financial foundation. So what does this mean for your retirement check? If you contribute to the enhanced CPP over many years, your future benefits will be significantly higher. For someone who makes enhanced contributions for 40 years, the maximum CPP retirement pension could be more than 50% higher than the base CPP alone. Now let's look at some recent numbers. For 2025, the maximum monthly amount you could receive if you start your pension at the age of 65 is around $1,433. And thanks to cost of living adjustments, many beneficiaries will see an increase of about 4.8% for their June 2025 payments. Now that's real money in your pocket. Now to pay for these bigger future benefits, there are also changes to what you contribute. Previously, you contributed up to a certain earnings limit called the year's maximum pensionable earnings or YMPE. For 2025, the YMPE is $71,300. You contribute 5.95% on earnings between $3,500 and that YMPE. But here's the big change. In 2024 and now fully in 2025, a second earnings ceilings was introduced. It's called the year's additional maximum pensionable earnings or YAMPE. For 2025, the YAMPE is $81,200. Now, what does this mean? If your earnings fall between the YMPE, which is $71,300, and the YAMPE, which is $81,200, you will contribute an additional 4% on that income. So, if you earn more, the CPP is protecting more of your earnings, and in turn, you will receive a higher benefit in retirement. Your employer matches these contributions, and if you are self-employed, you pay both halves. Beyond the main enhancement, there are also some other important adjustments and recent news to be aware of. One is the new child benefits. Benefits have been created for dependent children aged 18 to 24 attending school part-time for disabled or deceased contributors. Number two is death benefit top-up. A $2,500 top-up has been added to the death benefit in specific situations. Extended disability child's benefit. So eligibility for this benefit now continues even if the parent's disability pension converts to a retirement pension at 65. Number four is early May payments. So you might have already noticed that your May 2025 CPP and OAS payments arrived early around May 20th instead of the usual May 28th. Now this was a proactive measure by Service Canada to address the concerns about a potential postal strike, ensuring everyone received their funds on time. It is important to note that the CPP fund is in a very strong position. The CPP Investments, who manages the fund, recently reported net assets of over $714 billion as of March 31st, 2025, with strong returns. The Chief Actuary of Canada has also confirmed the CPP is financially sustainable for at least the next 75 years. So you can be confident in its long-term stability. Now, if you want to see your personal CPP statement or get an estimate of your future benefits, the best place to go is to your My Service Canada account. I'll put a link in the description below. Now, these CPP enhancements are a significant step towards a more secure retirement for Canadians. Now, while it means slightly higher contributions for some now, the long-term benefit of a stronger, more robust pension plan is a major plus. Now, what do you think about these changes? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more financial insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next upload. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.